Hi, I'm Steve Rubidoux, President and Chief Encouragement Officer at Lead Like Jesus. When Jesus said the Son of Man did not come to be served, but to serve, he revealed a standard of leadership unlike any other. That standard calls us to something higher, a way of leading that reflects humility, confidence, and surrender to God's purposes. It's the kind of leadership that doesn't just pursue results, but shapes culture, the kind that turns workplaces into communities of both grace and excellence. True leadership begins not with strategy, but with surrender, a heart that seeks to honor God in every conversation, every decision, and every moment of influence. So when leaders choose to serve rather than be served, everything changes. Teams grow stronger, trust deepens, and purpose becomes clear. That's what happens when we align our leadership with the heart of Jesus. At Lead Like Jesus, we've seen entire organizations transformed when they embrace this higher standard, where humility, service, and mission become the measures of success. So if you're longing to see that same transformation in your life, your home, and your workplace, we'd love to walk this journey with you. The Lead Like Jesus Revisited book, especially Chapter 7, The Hands of a Leader, How Do You Lead?, offers practical biblical truths to help you build a culture that leads like Jesus. So let's raise the standard together and lead in a way that points others back to Him.